Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So I put something on my mic to make it sound better, hopefully. So this is what I did. I got one of those fluffy looking things that they put on their cameras, the YouTubers. So I just wanted to try it out. So I'm gonna go try it out right now, and I'll let you guys know how it sounds. So right now I'm testing out my mic again, because I got like this fuzzy looking thing that kind of helps with the audio, hopefully. So let's try the sound when I turn this on. Let's see if you guys can hear me better. So let's do it. I just want to see what it sounds like. I'm kind of curious. So. Making a lot of dust though. I don't care, I'll make the video. So I hope it does sound good for you guys. So let's go